Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. As you've seen in the last video, we closed on our new house. So right now we are at the house. We have literally been here every day since we closed. We haven't moved in as of yet because there are some renovations that needs to be done. Or not renovations per se, but updates and things like that. So we haven't moved in as of yet. We just come here every day because every day is something new. Gotta take out trash. Gotta check paint, gotta check flooring, gotta get an estimate for this. So, gotta take in deliveries. So, today we are here. I'm gonna do a quick tour. It's not gonna be detailed. Take like 2 minutes. Take out a quick before, and then we'll do a after when our current remodeling is complete. So, before I get into this video, if you guys enjoy the video, give us a like. Be sure to subscribe if you wanna see the finished product. And leave a comment if you have any questions below. All right here's the front door. Front door. I want to change the door, but not right now. When you come into the door, this is the living room. This is the formal living room, which would be the parents' living room, aka our parents, Damion and I. And this is the overview. The current floor will be changed. Wall color is also changing this week. This room does have recessed lighting, awesome. Also has built-in speakers. My parents will probably never use that, but if they want to, the connections are there for them. All right, so coming in, I'm gonna go this way. To the right, we have 2 bedrooms. First bedroom here, also walls are getting repainted, floors are getting redone, new blinds will be coming soon. That is not our dresser. There's a closet on this side. This is the boys' room. Coming over here is my parents' room. My parents do live with us. So it's Damien's mom. She stays with the boys though. My parents' room. So all rooms are getting new paint on the wall, completely new flooring. And here's their closet as well. Here's the bathroom. No paint for in here because the bathroom walls are tile. They thought about that. This is their bathroom. Previous owners left a shower curtain. That's going out in trash today. And that is the bathroom. Here's a linen closet. There's sheets in it that they left as well. Going in the trash. Coming back out here is our dining room. They had it as a computer room. That's their computer desk that they left. It was hanging up here. We are going to refurbish that and use that for our boys because it's in good condition. This will be our dining room here. Off of the dining room is the kitchen. We do have, I forgot what kind of kitchen this is called, but it's not like a open kitchen, but we have a walkway kitchen or whatever. Got lots of storage. The kitchen looks to be brand new. I mean, the cabinets are like pretty new and no crumbs, no nothing. They are soft closed cabinets, which is pretty cool. That excites me. Here's our refrigerator. Woo. We do have a smart fridge that did come with the house. Main reason I put an offer in, just kidding. Right now it's only water in there because the workers are coming tomorrow, so I bought them some water to leave in there. I have to clean the fridge out. I've already sprayed it down, but gotta clean that out. And this is the stuff out of the fridge that I have to clean out. Our dishwasher, our oven, microwave. Pantry is over here. This is also cool. It has these drawers in here that are also soft close. So cool. And I have some more waters for people when they come to work. Floor will not be changing in here, but the wall will be changing to match the rest of the house. Coming back out, this is the second living room, aka Damien's area, where he'll be having his gaming stuff and his TV and all his fun stuff. Wall color is not changing right now because he's going to remodel this room in the future himself. So it doesn't make sense to change the wall paint when he's gonna pick a paint that he wants to have. And so the computer desk will be going right here. So that will be going right there on this wall. The door is off because we got our washer and dryer delivered yesterday. This is the laundry room. That is that. And then going out this door, this is the backyard. This is the backyard. Backyard wraps around there. Comes around here. We're also gonna be doing some cleaning up back here. This tree, we're gonna have got to go. And then the backyard goes on and on and on and on. Yeah. All right, so we have 2 more rooms to show you guys. Let's hurry up and get back inside. Here is the master bedroom. Yep, this is not our furniture. The previous owners left their bed. This will be going in the trash. If you can see, this will be going in the trash. Behind me here is a walk-in closet. Yeah, that's not gonna be staying there. And then here's our bathroom. This is the bathroom that we are remodeling. This will be getting done over some time before we move in. This is the current bathroom. It's not big, but hey, it'll be big when we're done. Okay, one more room outside. And this room will be my office slash, he said he wanted a gym, so slash a gym. Yeah, this is my office. This will not be here. This is going to change. So stay tuned to see what this changes into. Yeah, but the painting in here will be done, as well as the flooring will be changed as well to match the rest of the house. Thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you for seeing our house tour before our renovations and our changes are made. Make sure you guys subscribe, hit that notification bell so you are advised or notified when the remodeling is done, so you can see the finished product. All right guys, thank you for watching. Bye.